Ready for dictation. Exercise number 27. 5 seconds. Start. My book, which will be ready soon, gives my views on the subject, the music of our times. I hope to give a series of talks in several different cities, and I have chosen this subject for my talks. If I write out the names of the cities and the dates on which I am to speak, can you type the schedule for me? I should like to have 2 copies. I shall be happy if you will type a copy of my speech for me. It is 40 pages in length. How long does it take to type such a long speech? Can you have it ready for me in 2 hours? The head of the firm said, I am going to give you a higher salary because of the absence of errors in the jobs I have given you to do. Thank you for your news. Many thanks to for the magazines. I am happy to know you are having a nice time. I enjoy ready to special items in the magazine. The way things seem to me and news outside the door. We owe several large items on this month's bills, which ought to be paid in a few days. May we know soon what you decide to do. What would be the wise thing to do?